Good morning. Good morning. How are you this morning? Good. Feeling good? I know one thing, I'd be really feeling good if I came into this kind of classroom. This morning is amazing. I knew that the moment I walked in this classroom, but also I knew that you guys are all amazing as well. So my name is Jazz.
Hi, Jazz.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, and I'm Dee Dee. Hi, Dee Dee. Hi. Nice to meet you guys.
So here's a big surprise for you. We're not really here to teach you about bullying and bullying behavior, but something tells me you already know, right? Who doesn't know about bullying? I mean, who doesn't know what it is, right? You all know that, so we're not going to state the obvious.
In third grade, there were a lot of bullies.
There are a lot of bullies. So you guys all came from the third grade. You're learners from the third grade and you're entering the fourth grade. So you have that experience already. The best training ground to learn bullying is in the third grade. Believe it or not, that's where you learn to kind of say some bad things about one another. Kind of segregate yourself from people you don't like. You distance yourself from people you don't like. You do all those things. And it doesn't feel good if you're the one that isn't brought into the group, right?
We're not included.
If you're not included, it doesn't feel good. So you say when the school is over, when class is over, and you got summer, you're so glad it's summer. Not because you want to go to the amusement park, but because that trauma is over. You're going to feel a little better over summer. But then come August, when it's time to get ready to come back to school, what happens? It starts right back up again. What's your name? Aaron, a little louder. It starts right back up again.
Great.
So whenever someone says something that you also identify with and maybe you agree with, we want you to say 2 words, and they're going to be the same word. Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Say it again, Aaron.
It starts right back up again.
Yes, yes.